Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katia. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do a wall art DIY, of course, keeping it on a budget. I end up using some foam. I love to use foam instead of canvas. It's a cheaper, lighter way of creating a beautiful wall art. I wanted to create a wall art that was going to be going in my bedroom upstairs on one of the walls. Right now I have a different painting, but I felt it was a little too small for that area, and I wanted something a little bit more big, a little bit more textured so that it goes perfectly in my bedroom on that wall. I decided to create I wanted to say like an ethnic textured wabi-sabi, almost like a shield. I decided to use this wicker round placemat. If you want, some people, you can put it as a carpet on the floor. There's bigger sizes. I got that size. Actually, I went to the zoo and I thought it was so fun and I knew I could do a DIY with it. So I decided to use that textured wovenness and create this textured looking shield, primitive wabi-sabi. You already know I love that look. I'm super happy of how it turned out. I end up paying, I think, a total cost of, I think it was like under $50 for sure. And wall art's that size, it's about, I would say 5 feet by 5 feet, which is, you know, pretty big for a wall art. I end up paying it $50. So, I mean, $50 for a wall art is pretty good, I would say. Anyway, I hope you love it as much as I do. I end up doing one DIY in this video because it took forever, so just a little heads up, it does take a lot of patience, a lot of time. Also, in between the drying, then the painting, it's just a lot of steps to it. Sometimes when you're watching it on a video, it doesn't seem that complicated, but when you start doing it, it's a lot harder than you think. And that's how my brain works. When I think of an idea, I'm like, I can totally do this, I'm gonna, you know, create this. And then when I start doing it, you're like, oh boy, this is gonna be a long one. Sometimes it's like, why did I get myself into this situation? It's a long one, but I am so happy of how it turned out. So definitely worth the time, the patience, the effort that you put into it. Before we get into the DIY, I did want to ask you, for my next video, I will be doing a Q&A with questions. So if you have any questions for me that you would like me to answer, write them down below so that I can answer them. That will be my next video. So by the time this goes up, I will be seeing all your messages and I'll be able to answer them. So if there's any questions that you've maybe previously written to me or that you would like to know about me or about my husband or random things, I would love to answer whatever questions you have. Since sometimes I was not able to answer all of your comments, I would love to do it all in one video. So I'm thinking next video will probably be a Q&A, and then the one after, I am doing a closet clean out. It is long overdue. I need to get rid of things. I am very much into the getting rid of clothing and stuff, so that will be my next video. Anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. So since it is on a foam, what I did is I created a whole wood frame, but I wanted a way that I can hang my wall art since it is foam and I can't put a nail in the back. It's not made out of wood or anything, so I needed some wood. And so what I'm going to do is put 2 nails, one on each side, and then from there I'm going to connect a wire in the back, and that will allow my wall art to hang. A lot of people ask how I go about hanging my wall art when it comes to foam, and that's how I do it. And I'm also going to use some duct tape. I'm going to level it out. I'm going to stand it up because right now it's on my counter space, but I'm going to stand it up, level it out, push it forward, and then put some duct tape in the back and then drill the holes. And then we're going to continue painting and hopefully it'll come out the way I envision. But that's how I'm going to go about doing this one so that I can hang my wall art properly on the wall. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this wall art. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Moving on to the outfit part, I end up getting this beautiful, I would say it's like a faux leather Baker Boy hat. I got it at this store. I'm gonna have to look it up, and when I do find the name of the store, I'll put it up on the screen. It's a Russian store and it has beautiful clothing, very designer. It was on sale. I saw it and I thought it was perfect for the fall time, so I decided to take it out. It has this rugged, worn out look. T-shirt, I got this thrifted. Then I got this little bolero overlay. I got it at a store called Urban Planet. It's very, I would say it's like a cheap store, but you can find some cute things like this, and I thought that layering it over a t-shirt edges it up a little bit. Then I'm wearing my thrifted belt, and I am wearing simple burgundy jeans that I got from Zara. So, oh, and necklace, Katia. And update on Katia, guys, it's still the same situation and it is making me so upset. Most of my clients are from the States, so it's very devastating, not only for my business but for so many businesses out there, and it is so sad. I hope that this at some point subsides. I am not able to ship. I actually tried to ship a couple packages to the US. They got returned to me. They are asking for way too much paperwork and it's becoming a lot more complicated, and for the cost for me and for the client, it's not worth it. And I hate this because I love my Americans so much and it makes me so sad. That being said, I just wanted to give a little update on Katia. It has not changed, but as soon as it does, I will definitely let you guys know. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. If you comment down below, it really does help my channel. And if you're not subscribed and not part of the family, hit that button down below. Join our team. I am so proud of the community that we have built. I love you all so much. I will see you next time. Have the best week ever. Mwah. Bye, guys.